English Pronunciation, Lesson 13. Topic: Pronunciation of T, the true T and the flap T. Part 3. Exercise 2. Listen and repeat. In Group 1, the flap T is between vowel sounds. Biting, waiting, heated, invited. In Group 2, we have the flap T with R as a vowel sound, either before it, after it, or both before and after. Artist, hardy, 30, 40, daughter, waiter, water, quarter. In Group 3, the flap T is written with a double T. Batter, bitter, butter, ladder, lettuce, litter, ditto, kitty, motto. In Group 4, we have the flap T followed by an unstressed L sound, ul. Battle, bottle, hospital, little, mortal. In Group 5, we have the flap T between words. To have smooth connected speech, we are linking words. So the T's that you see in blue have a vowel sound before and an unstressed vowel sound after. That's why they are flap T's. Listen. I bought a CD of lessons. It'll be useful. Oh no, where did I put it? Exercise 3. Identify the word with a flap T. Example. You'll see two words. Say them out loud. You should have said hotel and bottle. The flap T is in bottle. Number 1. Where's the flap T? The words are tattoo and photo. The flap T is in photo. Number 2. The words are Peter and petite. The flap T is in Peter. Number 3. The words are fatter and faster. The flap T is in fatter. Number 4. A bonus question. Identify all the flap T's in the words below. In automatic, there are 2 flap T's. In mentality, there is 1 flap T. In potato, there is 1 flap T. In starting, there is 1 flap T. In total, there is 1 flap T. Do you remember this list? These are the words I used in my opening talk about the winter. I'd like you to practice the 2 pronunciations of T now. The T's in blue are flap T's. The underlined T's are true T's. Listen closely. I'll first say the word and you'll repeat after me. Bitter, winter. I want to note with winter, some Americans choose to drop the T because of the proximity of N and T. When N and T are together, T is sometimes dropped. So instead of winter, you may hear winter. Let's go on. Terrible, storm, today, little, temperatures, return, try. Now let's say this final phrase with smooth connected speech. A lot of families lost electricity. Now listen again to my opening talk about the winter. Pay attention to my pronunciation of T.
From the beginning, it's been a very bitter winter. Back in December, we had a terrible ice storm, and many families, mine included, lost electricity.
Today is a little warmer than usual.
But I know colder temperatures will return. I'll try to stay warm. You do the same.
A final note. This lesson focused on the flap T, but the voiced tap is not limited to words spelled with a T or a double T. You will often hear the same sound in words spelled with a D or a double D. In these examples, there is a vowel sound before the D and an unstressed vowel sound after. Listen. Body, madam, studio, saddle, pedal, middle, ladder, order, rider. And in smooth connected speech, you'll also hear more flap T's. I had a lot of studying to do. What's to come in the future? Well, more help with the pronunciation of T. I can help you practice T at the end of a word and T as a glottal stop in words like mountain and button.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies.